Alright, hey guys, with another Aderonn Airsoft review. This is the firing test of the UHC gas revolver. To start out, I'm going to show you how to load up the shells, and I'm going to show you how to load it up with gas. And then we're going to go shoot a paper target and from about, I'm going to say 40-50 feet. And then we're going to do a can test. So, to start out, take your shell, okay? And you're going to want to take your BBs. I have them in a speed loader, and just take a couple and put them out. Okay, and this is the easiest way to do it, really. Just sort of pop them like that, put it over it, and then and it'll pick it up like that. And so I'm gonna do this to the rest of my shells because I have quite a few shells. I have more than this, but I'm gonna finish doing this, and then I'll show you how to do it. Fill it up with gas. Alright, so to fill it up with gas, it's pretty simple. All you need is your gun and some gas. Shake up the gas, give it a quick shake, and then here's the fill nozzle, right there. So it's at a slight angle, so sort of just match it up with it, and just actually move your finger, because if the fill nozzle on mine is actually kind of offset, so gas can spray out, and you don't want to get your finger frozen because it hurts a little bit. So as you can see, there's a little bit of frost there. Maybe you can't see it, but whoa. So when that happens, you know it's full. That's about it. So shooting test outside. Now see it. Alright, so here's the box test. I am going to go back about 40 to 50 feet and shoot at that box about 10 inches by 10 inches. So let's see the accuracy. I can do about 12 shots. Alright, so I'll be right back. Alright, so we hit most of them on the first one. The second one was kind of messed up because the cloud moved and the sun was in my eye. But I got pretty close to the box on the second set. Missed it by maybe just a couple inches, like 1 or 2. So pretty good accuracy. I mean, that's from 50 feet with a pistol. So that's good. So now the can test. Alright, so here's the can test from about 10 feet to see the how hard it shoots. I got the can filled with water. So let's see how well it does. I'm going to do about 12 shots, and then I'm going to do a one-shot point blank to see how well it shoots. So, or how much penetration there is, so I can give you an estimate on how hard it shoots. So here we go. Alright, so that was it. That last shot was pretty good. Missed the first couple shots, right? They hit the bottom and sort of just ricocheted off. But let me zoom out a little bit and I'll give you a point blank hand test. So hang on, let me reload real quick. So yeah. Alright, so that one, I'm surprised it didn't go through both sides of the can. Normally it does, but it put a pretty big gash in it. So that was it. I would say about 300 feet per second. So what the airsoft guy is saying is probably about right. Plus they probably chronoed it. Alright, so that's about it. Comment, rate, and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave a comment. And thanks. See ya.